Hey everybody, so got this 2006 F350 and I'm going to hook up some strobe lights on the back of the body here because there aren't any on there. So I'm going to tie them into the Upfitter switches, and it's probably a little late for this considering it's an 06, so I don't know who was actually going to be putting this on an 06, but I'll show you where the wires are, I'll show you where the switches are. So you get your four switches right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. First two are higher amperage, I think they're like 30 amp, and the second two are a lower amperage. So you have these 4 wires right here on the back of the fuse box. I just kind of pulled it down just to get at it, and it's this orange one. These 2 orange ones are the 1 and 2, and the 2 smaller orange ones are 3 and 4. So what I'm going to do, because I need these on the outside, is I'm going to use the pass-through wires. So you got these here. I just got this down so I can get to them a little easier. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect to the pass-through wires. So come under here. If I can get you under here. And here's a brake pedal. I'm going to look up. Here's where your harness comes in. And you are going to have these thin ones here are the PTO wires, so those go to PTO. But then you have these 4 right here. Was it red, black, white, and blue? These are the pass-through wires. So these actually pass through to the other side of the firewall. So if you want something to pass through and not work in here, you're going to connect these wires to whichever color you want to pass through. And then that, obviously, a switch will wire positive through there. It doesn't wire negative. If anyone's wondering, you have to wire in your own ground, which will either go to chassis ground, a body ground, or the battery. So over here we've got our same wires. We've got our black, white, blue, and red. So that is what you would tie into on the outside of the cab, and then you run this to wherever you want to run it to. So I'm going to pass through to these, and then I'm going to take these and I'm going to run them down probably along the frame of the body all the way to the back. All along the frame here. And then I'm going to poke up through the bottom. I'll probably come in right there where everything comes in. Up. Splice into here. And then I will have my 2 lights. That light already is connected to switch 1, but obviously it runs through the cab and just pokes up to the roof. So I'll get all that hooked up and that'll be done. So anyway, that's how you hook up your auxiliary switches or your upfitter switches, whatever you want to call them, for this generation of truck. So hope that can help somebody. Thanks for watching.